Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, where we learn English through real life talks.
You are listening to English Story 5 Days, a place for simple English and useful life lessons.
This channel is for learners who want confidence, clarity, and better thinking in daily life.
We share easy conversations, clear ideas, and stories that help you grow step by step.
Today's topic is powerful, simple, and very important for everyone listening carefully.
Yes, today we will talk about time and why wasting it can slowly destroy dreams.
Time looks small in minutes, but it becomes huge when days turn into years.
Many people don't feel time passing, but life keeps moving without stopping.
English Story 5 Days helps you learn language while understanding real-life problems.
Our goal is not speed, but progress, understanding, and daily improvement.
This podcast is friendly, calm, and made especially for English learners.
We speak slowly, clearly, and with examples so everyone can follow easily.
If you feel confused about life, habits, or goals, this episode is for you.
Don't waste your time is not a warning, it is a kind reminder.
We all waste time sometimes, and that makes us human, not weak.
But learning to protect time can change your future completely.
Stay relaxed, listen carefully, and imagine this conversation in your daily life.
Let's begin today's journey together on English Story 5 Days.
Before we go deeper, let us slowly understand what wasting time really means.
Wasting time does not always mean doing nothing. Sometimes it means doing useless things.
Many people stay busy all day but still achieve nothing meaningful.
Being busy and being productive are very different things in real life.
Time waste often feels comfortable, easy, and safe, which makes it dangerous.
Comfort tricks the mind and slowly pushes important goals into tomorrow.
Tomorrow sounds nice, but tomorrow often never comes.
This is why English Story 5 Days talks about life, not only language.
Language learning becomes powerful when it connects with real daily problems.
Time management is not about strict rules, but about smart choices.
Every small choice decides how your future will look.
1 hour daily can build skills, confidence, and self-respect.
But one wasted hour daily can destroy years quietly.
Many people regret wasted time only when it is too late.
Regret is painful, but awareness can change everything.
Awareness is the first step toward improving your daily habits.
We want listeners to feel motivated, not guilty.
Guilt stops action, but understanding creates positive change.
Think about how you start your mornings every day.
Morning habits often decide the mood of the whole day.
Using phones immediately after waking wastes energy and focus.
That habit steals fresh thoughts before the day even begins.
Successful people protect their mornings carefully.
They choose learning, planning, or silence instead of noise.
This podcast wants to plant small ideas in your mind.
Small ideas grow into strong habits over time.
You do not need perfection, only consistency.
Consistency always beats talent in the long run.
Many talented people fail because they waste time.
Many average people succeed because they respect time.
Time does not care about excuses or feelings.
It moves forward whether you act or delay.
This truth sounds hard, but it is very freeing.
When you accept it, you gain control.
Control over time gives confidence and direction.
Direction makes life meaningful and less stressful.
Stress often comes from delayed work and missed goals.
Using time wisely reduces fear and pressure.
That is why today's topic matters deeply.
Stay with us because the real learning starts next.
Now that we have introduced our channel, English Story 5 Days, let us slowly go deeper into today's topic together.
Yes, and remember, this conversation is not about blaming anyone, but about understanding ourselves honestly.
Let me ask you something, Leo. When did you last feel that a full day passed very fast?
Honestly, just yesterday. I was busy, but at night I felt unsatisfied and confused.
That feeling is very common, and many listeners experience it every single day.
People often say I was busy all day, but they cannot explain what they achieved.
Exactly, and this is where wasting time becomes tricky and hidden.
Most people imagine wasting time means sleeping all day or doing nothing.
But in real life, wasting time often looks like scrolling, chatting, watching random videos, or delaying work.
These activities feel harmless, but they slowly eat hours without giving value.
Let me share a small story that many listeners may relate to easily.
Yes, stories help us understand ideas better and remember them longer.
There was a student who planned to study 1 hour daily after dinner.
That sounds simple and realistic for most people.
Every night, he told himself, I will start in 10 minutes.
Those 10 minutes became 30, then 1 hour, then sleep.
After 6 months, he felt stressed, behind, and disappointed in himself.
The problem was not intelligence or resources, only delayed action.
This is how time waste works, quietly, slowly, and without warning.
Listeners should understand that time does not disappear suddenly.
It disappears in small pieces that feel unimportant at that moment.
And when we finally notice, months or years are already gone.
English Story 5 Days wants to help listeners notice time earlier.
Awareness gives power, and power gives choice.
Once you see how you waste time, you can change it gently.
Change does not require extreme discipline or painful routines.
It starts with honest questions like, is this helping my future?
Asking this question daily can change decision-making completely.
Many people fear change because comfort feels safe.
But comfort without growth slowly becomes regret.
That is why learning to use time wisely is an act of self-respect.
Respecting your time means respecting your dreams and efforts.
Respecting your time means respecting your dreams and efforts.
Yes, simple habits that fit daily life, not unrealistic routines.
Stay connected with English Story 5 Days and keep listening carefully.
The journey of respecting time has just begun.
Now, let us talk about practical habits, because understanding alone is not enough to change life. Many listeners know they waste time, but they do not know what to do daily. The good news is that you do not need big plans or strict schedules. Small habits work better. For example, writing just 3 tasks every morning gives your day direction. When you wake up without a plan, your phone and distractions decide for you. But when you choose your tasks first, your mind feels calm and focused. This habit saves time without pressure.
That is very true, Emma. I want to add that habits should feel easy, not heavy. Many people fail because they try to change everything in one day. They make long to-do lists and then feel tired before starting. A better habit is choosing one important task and finishing it before entertainment. This creates self-trust. When people trust themselves, they stop delaying work. English Story 5 Days teaches listeners to grow slowly because slow growth stays longer and feels natural.
Another powerful habit is learning to say no, especially to unnecessary things. Many people waste time because they say yes to everything. They say yes to useless meetings, long calls, and endless chatting. Saying no is not rude, it is respectful to your time. When you protect your time, you protect your energy. Energy is very important for learning and working. Listeners should remember that every yes to others is often a no to their own goals.
I like that point a lot. Let me share a short example from daily life. Imagine someone who plans to study English for 30 minutes. Suddenly, a friend calls just to talk without purpose.
If this happens daily, learning never improves. But if the person politely says, "I will call later," progress begins. This small decision looks simple, but it changes results. Time improves only when decisions improve. This is why awareness plus action matters.
Morning habits also play a big role in saving time. When people start the day with social media, their mind becomes noisy. They feel tired without working. A better habit is silence, reading, or light planning in the morning. Even 10 quiet minutes can improve focus for hours. English Story 5 Days encourages listeners to design mornings carefully because mornings decide the quality of the entire day.
Before we end this part, remember one important thing. Do not feel bad if you fail sometimes. Everyone wastes time occasionally. The goal is progress, not perfection. When you forgive yourself and restart, habits become stronger. Time respects those who try again. In the next part, we will talk about long-term thinking and how time builds or destroys dreams slowly.
In this part, let us talk about long-term thinking, because time shows its true power over many years. Most people think only about today or this week. They ask, "How do I feel now?" instead of asking, "Where will this take me later?" Long-term thinking means making small decisions today that help your future self. For example, reading 10 minutes daily feels small, but after 1 year, knowledge grows quietly. English Story 5 Days wants listeners to understand that time rewards patience more than speed.
Yes, and many people underestimate how fast years pass. 1 year feels long when planning, but short when remembering. This is why goals should connect with daily habits. If someone says, "I want a better job," but wastes evenings daily, time will move forward without change. Long-term thinking connects today's actions with tomorrow's results. When people see this connection clearly, motivation becomes natural, not forced.
Let me share a simple life example. Two friends finished school together. One spent free time learning skills slowly. The other spent time only on entertainment. After 5 years, the difference was huge. One had confidence and opportunities. The other felt stuck and confused. Talent was not the reason. Time usage was. This story is not to scare listeners, but to show how time always tells the truth in the end.
That story is very realistic. Many listeners may see themselves in it. The important message is that it is never too late. Long-term thinking works at any age. Even starting today makes a difference. When people stop comparing themselves with others and focus on daily improvement, stress reduces. Time works peacefully with those who stay consistent. This mindset brings calm and clarity.
Another part of long-term thinking is avoiding shortcuts. Many people want fast success. They jump between ideas, courses, and plans. This wastes time and energy. Real growth needs focus. Choosing one path and staying patient saves more time than trying everything. English Story 5 Days encourages listeners to trust slow progress because slow progress builds strong foundations.
Before moving forward, remember this simple line. Time is not your enemy, but it is very honest. It gives results exactly based on how you use it. When you respect time, time supports you. In the next part, we will talk about mindset, motivation, and how to stay consistent without burnout.